Hi guys, so this right here is the TEKTON 3/8 inch drive socket set. I've been using this for about a year and I've been really happy with it, so I decided to make a video. So this is the 3/8 inch drive one, so all the pieces are 3/8, but they also have 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch. And the included ratchet is very smooth. The mechanism just moves very nicely. And it's got a quick release, so if you take one of the sockets, you have to press the handle thing at the top to get it to go on, and then it won't come off no matter what. So this will be nice and secure. If you want to remove it, you have to press the thing at the top and it drops right out. There's also a universal joint which lets you access hard to reach angles. Just works like that by twisting. They're not very used often, but when you need one, nothing else works. There are also 2 extensions that are included, and these also feel high quality. These do not have a quick release, they just snap in, but they still feel solid and it takes a good amount of force to get them apart. And regarding the sockets themselves, let me demonstrate on this 19mm one. They don't load the corners of the bolt, which can round off the corners. Instead, as you can see here, they put pressure on the edges of the bolt, those faces, which mean that it takes a lot more effort to round it off, which is a good thing because you definitely don't want to round them off. It's the same thing for the SAE bolts. They all work pretty well. You just put it in and you can see how the off corner loading means you're not putting any stress on the corners. Another great thing about this set is look at how long the thin part is on these deep sockets. Some deep sockets are pretty thick all the way until the end. That makes it hard to reach tight spots, but this one, it's really skinny down there, which is handy. So I think that just about covers it. There's also a case, obviously, which despite being plastic, feels pretty nice and solid with these little plastic latches. So now let's try wrenching on something with this set. So here I've got a bolt and a nut clamped in my vise. Let's try putting some torque on it using this socket. This thing is really comfortable to grip, just has a nice smooth finish, but it's still textured enough that I can grab it. And I can put a lot of torque on this. And reversing it is pretty easy, everything feels smooth. Let's try out some of the accessories. Here I've got a universal joint and socket extension for tight spots. Let's see how this works. So with the universal joint, I can have this almost at an angle, and I'm still wrenching on it, and the bottom part is still turning. So overall, I would say this is a really nice socket set. I mean, all the parts just feel really good quality. And the case is nice. You get pretty much all you need. There's no skipped sizes. And this particular set cost about $70, which is really good considering that brands like SK will charge $200 or even more. In fact, for one SK ratchet's price, you can buy this whole set, whereas SK will just give you the ratchet. So this really is a great value. I'd highly recommend it if you're working on maybe cars or airplanes or just general construction. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you all next time.